This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Susy Covenas. Nicely kept and well-maintained home near to downtown Dade City. This lovely 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bath plus a 4-bedroom offers an additional 312 square footage, completely remodeled kitchen and appliances in 2019 and roof replaced in 2020, attached laundry/storage room. Enjoy peace and tranquility as this home sits on a large lot for fun and family entertainment. There is an avocado, orange and grapefruit trees that blossom yearly. Come and enjoy Dade City's downtown restaurants and unique gift shop, and don't miss the Kumquat Festival. Schools and AdventHealth Hospital not even 5 minutes away. For more information, review the details below.